Welcome to Business Clinic with Tope Orolu. I am your host on this platform, and I welcome you to this very special edition of this program. The Business Clinic is a platform that we have put together to address business challenges and to coach young men and women entrepreneurs on how to build and run sustainable businesses. In this edition, I'm going to be talking about a very important subject which is very key to building a business that will last, a business that will grow and will be sustainable. And so my topic this edition is on building systems. Building systems. Building systems. A system is defined as a set of elements that work together in relationships for the overall objective or vision of the whole. A system. When we talk about system, we're talking about a set of interrelated components or elements that are working together to achieve a particular objective. Building systems. Building systems is very, very important if you want to build a business that will grow and will outlast you. You want to build a business that will last and that will be sustainable. You must think in terms of systems. You must see your business as a collection of systems. That means if you want to build a business that will outlast you, a business that will outlive you, a business that will last for, as long as you want it to last, you have to think in terms of systems. You have to adopt what sometimes we call systems thinking. Systems thinking. All right? Just like I've said, a system or a business system is a repeatable process. A repeatable process that employees understand and use to achieve a desired purpose. A repeatable process. Once you can build a repeatable process, a system becomes a system. It's repeatable and it's not tied to one particular person. That's a system. Okay? So what are the essential features of a system? What are the characteristics of a system? We're going to talk about 4 things that are key for every system. Number 1, the system must have a clear purpose. For example, you could build a system around your production, a system around your finance, a system around your inventory. How do you keep track of your inventory? You can have a system around your payments or how your users access your products. Okay, so we have business systems you can have. So your business becomes a collection of several systems. Some of us are familiar with systems like payroll systems. We're familiar with, of course, like I've said, inventory management systems and things like that. But if you're just starting a business and you're just starting out afresh, I want to encourage you to think in terms of systems. So the first thing is that every system in your business must have a clear purpose. What is this system meant to achieve? That's number 1. Number 2 feature of a system is that it must be accountable. It must be accountable. Accountable means somebody must be responsible for each step of that particular process. You must be able to identify somebody that will hold responsible for the functioning of that particular system. The third feature of a system is that it must be documented. That's very important. Every system you create, there must be a documentation of the step-by-step process that is engaged in that particular system. So documentation is very important. Documentation helps what we call uniformity, and employees can follow step by step. Okay, document your system. You must document your system. And of course, the fourth feature of every system is that it must be repeatable. Okay, it must be independent of a particular person within the business, within the organization. That means even you as the entrepreneur, you must build systems that can function independent of you. That's when you can say you have a system in place. Now, building systems in your business is essentially about working on your business as opposed to working in the business. Okay? When you work on your business, that means you're developing frameworks, systems that can ensure that the business can function effectively without, any particular person. All right. So, what are the advantages of systems? What advantages do we get when we focus and when we build systems? I'm going to give us about 5 of such advantages. Number 1, systems will bring order and clarity into the business. Systems will engender structure. It will bring clarity. It will bring order into your business. Number 2, the lack of system leads to confusion. All right, leads to confusion, mistakes, customer complaints, and oftentimes poor productivity. So when you have systems in place, productivity will improve. It will improve productivity. Staff coordination, system coordination systems will help you to improve greatly the productivity of your business. The third benefit or advantage of creating systems is that it will reduce the risk of errors. All right, it will reduce the risk of errors. When you have systems in place, there will be no much room for guesswork. People know what to do. When customers come in, they know how to treat them, they know how to react to them. When there are inquiries, where there are issues, there are systems to resolve them. Of course, that leads to a reduction in your error rate. The fourth benefit is that systems will guarantee a better business performance. Okay, it guarantees better business performance, even in terms of when you want to sell a business. Once your business has systems documented, well documented, and all of that, even it enhances the value that your potential investors or buyers will place on your business. And then the fifth benefit is that systems improves employee productivity greatly. Employee morale. Even as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, when you build systems, it helps greatly in your own productivity, such that as the business owner, then you are free to devote your time to what we call strategic issues, such as ensuring that the organization achieves its vision, leading the organization, looking for resources to ensure that the organization is able to function efficiently. All right, so these are some of the benefits that we get by building systems. Don't forget, systems are very, very important if you want to build a business that will last, a business that will grow, a business that will be sustainable. I want to thank you for watching this video, and on this note, I wish you success, and I say God bless you.